Hi everyone. I don't see a lot of people here right now. I see few people coming in now. Yeah, I see Sachin is watching. I see Bhabhi is watching. I see the number increasing. I have my iPad here today with me where I'm gonna watch you guys and look at the comments that you are, uh, whatever comments are coming in. Thank you for joining in. Hi Alpina. Hi Kuhu. Hi Sonu. It's a pleasure to have you all here. Hi Meena. Hi Deepa. Hi Savitri, looking forward to do some delicious recipes for all of you. Hi Kritika, yeah, Sonu, good to be here again. Hi Jaya, Ashfaq, hi. So we have a good audience right now and I think we can begin. So good evening, good afternoon, good morning to each one of you who's watching me live today on Facebook page. Today, it's not only the audience from India who's gonna watch me, but it's going to be world audience. We have people watching from the Indian time zone, Indian Standard Time. We have people from Pacific time zone. We have people from Eastern, Mountain time. I mean, so many countries. So today is basically the World Audience Day for me. So it's a great privilege and an honor. Thank you, Amul, for having me again on Amul page and to do this live show. Second time in a row in just a matter of 2 weeks. Earlier, I had done Mexican buns and mango delight recipes with you, and I got a great feedback. And a lot of people also sent in their recreated recipes, and they told me how they have improvised upon whatever they have at home in this lockdown. And also I saw that there was a huge change in the food styling, food photography pictures, that people would forward to each other. I saw that change in my family and friends too. So thank you very much if I could inspire even few people to do that. Yeah, hi Shuchi, I can of course take your name. Hi Neeta, hi Arun, hi Monica, hi Shalini. Thank you so much for coming here. I have a lot of colleagues, friends, family members here who have joined in. It's great to see you guys. We have an audience of 300 already, so I think it's time to begin. But yeah, first, I hope all of you guys are staying safe and are home. Although lockdown has opened, but that doesn't mean that the virus has just vanished. It's still there. We all need to still maintain good amount of social distancing. We need to be home whenever possible. Do not venture out if it's not really urgent, and if it's not an emergency. Enjoy this period with your family, and I hope that this has actually been a good rejuvenator for all of you. You have reconnected with all your friends and family members whom you had lost touch with. So I just hope that this goes away very soon, and it just appears like a bad dream for all of us, and just we wake up one morning and all this disappears. And for that we all need to do and maintain a lot of guidelines given by the government. I also hope that what has happened in US in the past few days doesn't happen again anywhere in the world and to any other human, because I think that no human should be judged on the basis of his or her color or skin tone, because humans don't come with shade cards. They are just unique personalities, and we have to respect each and every one. So I see my dad also here, my sister-in-laws, and beautiful audience of Amul. Thank you very much for joining me. It really motivates me. So let me just, before we begin, I would hand over the phone to my husband. And first I want to give you a tour of the setup for today. Like I said in my past sessions, that if you make it beautiful, everything becomes more special. So here's a little tour of what I have done as a setup for you guys. This is a vintage setup about which we'll be talking later. So I think it's a good look for everyone, and we'll talk about this in detail. Thank you, Rupa. Thank you, Meghna, Mohan, Pooja. Thank you so much, and thank you for all the best wishes. So just going to the recipes today. So today's segment is midnight snacking. So this is the lockdown period, and otherwise also weekends or no weekends, we all crave for something very delicious during this time of the day. For some of you it may be the brunch time. I think Pacific time around 10:30 morning, and Eastern I think about 1:30 lunch time. And Central about almost 12 or something like that. And in India it's 11 p.m. and it's windy and rainy outside, so we all crave for something very nice. And the recipes that I'm going to show you today are very quick, easy, simple, healthy too, and these are kid friendly recipes also. So next time you want your kids to indulge in family activities or kitchen activities, do try these. Save this, do try this, and let me know how it was. So I'll just walk you through the recipes that we're going to do today. So this is about my organization, my company, Ovens Up. We manufacture energy and wellness bars that are completely natural, refined, sugar-free, etc. So today, Mool has given Ovens Up this opportunity to present instant pizza wraps and ice cream pudding. I think the board is shining a bit. And these are the beautiful Amul products that I received for my recipes. Hi family and friends and Amul audience again. Hi Neha, hi Monica for joining me. Okay, so I'll just, so this is the setup for instant, for the ice cream pudding, and the other setup I've done for the instant pizza wraps. So I'll hand over the phone to Sachin now, and I'll just walk you through the recipe today. Okay. So now this recipe, instant pizza wraps, it's the most easy recipe to do, because I think in times of lockdown, or when we really should not be venturing out, we should be doing something out of whatever we have available at home. So instead of doing things with yeast, baking soda, baking powder, this, that, artificial stuff, I'm going to do everything whatever is available at home. So here, these wraps would be made from tortillas, okay, or rotis. So I'm going to be using two types of rotis or tortillas. One is made out of beetroot atta, means I have mixed in beetroot powder in the whole wheat flour, and the other is the regular chapati or the roti or the regular whole wheat tortilla. So these are the two kind of wraps that we're gonna do. The wraps are the same. These are the two kind of tortillas that we're gonna use. So for this is a fireless cooking recipe. You can have your kids also do this. So I'm gonna use a grill toaster like this. In case if you don't have it, you can definitely do it on a tawa. Just by covering the wraps while cooking it. So the other things that we have is, of course, Amul butter. I have some Amul paneer here, and I have mozzarella cheese. Okay, one thing about cheese that I want to mention to all of you, there are thousands of types of cheese available in the market. You go to a gourmet store, you'll go crazy. So for pizza and things like this, you should not use processed cheese. You can use mozzarella cheese for this. Amul has a very good quality mozzarella cheese. This cheese is basically an Italian form of cheese, and it has a lot of elasticity. So it tastes very fine and very good in delicacies like this. So I have then some pizza sauce. I didn't have the ready-made pizza sauce, and I did not venture out for it. So what I did was, I took ketchup, the regular tomato ketchup. And okay, so are you guys able to listen to me? Please give a thumbs up. We had power outage. Please give a thumbs up. Okay, sorry guys, we are back here. We had power outage, but we had made arrangements because of the storm. We have this power outage. So if I'm audible to you guys, please say hi. Say hi to me, guys. Yes, I think people are able to watch and see. Thank you so much, Pooja. I'm sorry for this in between pause. So yeah, for the ones who just joined, I would just brief about the recipes that we're gonna do today. One is instant pizza wrap and the other is ice cream pudding. So going back to the ingredients, I had mentioned I'm gonna use tortilla here, 2 types of tortilla, and we have some butter, Amul cheese, Amul paneer, mozzarella cheese basically. I have mixed tomato ketchup and red chili sauce to make pizza sauce and added some herbs in here. You can increase the spiciness by adding black pepper. I have 3 different types of peppers here. One is yellow, green and red. You can choose whatever you want or whatever you have. I have some freshly chopped onions, some for garnish, and I have fresh herbs, Italian mix, and I have homemade red chili flakes. I did not venture out for this as well. And we have salt and black pepper. So I think because there's power outage, we won't be able to use our toaster. So I have arrangements for this, and we will go here and just put on the gas. And we can start with our okay, so this is the tawa that I'm gonna make the wraps in. Okay, Sachin, can you come here? Okay, I hope this is visible to all of you. And so first step is we apply this sauce जैसे हम पिज्ज़ा में लगाते हैं वैसे. This is how you apply. So evenly spread the sauce all over the tortilla because it will also help in wrapping up the tortilla. नहीं तो वो थोड़ा सा सूख जाता है and टूट भी सकता है.
Can they use corn flour?
Corn flour? Corn flour for what?
Wraps.
Sorry, what?
Corn flour wraps.
Corn flour wraps? Yes, of course you can use. You can use any type of tortilla available. So the next step here is we're gonna put the veggies. Just a little bit. I do not like anything too loud in my recipe. Hi guys, whoever's joined right now. Hi from Indore. This is Madhu and we're doing instant pizza wraps. I've just taken 2 tortillas. One is beetroot based to make it more healthier. The other is whole wheat based. So I've just put pizza sauce on it. I'm adding some bell peppers of all colors. The red bell pepper usually has the highest amount of nutrients. It has, you know, like 11 times more beta carotene than green. And yeah, so it is the healthiest. And the yellow one, it has the most vitamin C. So I'm gonna add few cubes of paneer. I do not like too huge or too big chunks of paneer in my food because I want everything to kind of amalgamate very nicely. So just hold on to this. Okay, so the next thing that I want to put inside is some onions. I'm gonna use my hands and put this. So just sprinkle around. So we have light again, but we keep the emergency light on because it may go again. Guys, pardon me in case if this goes again. I'll have to pause the video and come back. So yes, sprinkle some salt here, and then I'm gonna take some homemade chili flakes. I'm not gonna touch it, it's too hot and spicy. Okay, so these are homemade red chili flakes. Very simple. जब आपकी मिर्ची रेड होने लगती है 2 दिन के लिए इसको बाहर सन ड्राई कर लीजिए, एंड इफ़ नॉट पंखे के नीचे रख दीजिए. जस्ट ग्राइंड इट अ लिटिल बिट एंड मिक्सर में चर्न करके थोड़ा सा तेल में इसको सौते कर लीजिए. इट्स रेडी. Then I'm gonna add some herbs here. This is an Italian mix that I have. Oregano है, rosemary है, and basil है, basically.
One question: why this is pink wrap?
Why this is pink? Yeah, this is pink because I have added beetroot powder. I have sun-dried beetroots and just ground them in a mixer, and you just add it to your tortillas, your whole wheat flour, and you can get beetroot tortillas like this, which is much more healthy. Okay, so sorry for the pauses again. The power is playing a little too much with us today, but can't help it. ऐसी situations life में आती रहती है. We all need to deal with this. So हमने वेजीज डाले. पहले हमने टोर्टिया लिया, एक बेसिक होल व्हीट टोर्टिया लिया. उसके ऊपर मैंने सॉस लगाया, पिज़्ज़ा सॉस लगाया. उसके ऊपर मैंने सारे वेजीज डाले ऑफ माई चॉइस. बेल पेपर्स डाले मैंने तीनों. उसके ऊपर मैंने ओनियन डाला है, एंड थोड़ा सा मैंने पनीर भी डाला है, एंड हर्ब्स डाले हैं, रेड चिली फ्लेक, सॉल्ट डाला है. आई एम नॉट प्लानिंग टू पुट अ लॉट ऑफ पेपर हियर. और फिर अब मैं डालूँगी मोज़रेला चीज़. सो वी हैव इलेक्ट्रिसिटी, सो आई थिंक वी कैन मैनेज दिस वन हियर. ओके, एंड अब मैं इसके ऊपर आई एम गोना पुट mozzarella cheese again. So this is the basic of our wrap, guys. अब मैं इसको टोस्ट करने वाली हूँ. Just give me a minute. When this toaster just gets heated up, I'm extremely sorry, guys, for the power outage and the breaks in between. Tell me, guys, you know, what all have you made during these past 2 days? Last time आप लोग ने मुझे बताया किसी ने दाल बाटी बनाई है, किसी ने किसी ने लड्डू ट्राई किए थे, किसी ने बेसन की बर्फी ट्राई की थी, and yeah, so many different things. Tell me, what is something new that you tried and it was really like wow, your family loved it? So I think this is heated enough, and I'm gonna wrap the rolls. Okay, before wrapping I'm just gonna put butter. तो आप बटर से ब्रश कर लीजिए. इस तरह से दोनों साइड्स, ठीक है, so that even cooking हो जाए. Now I'm just gonna put this here. Oops, it opened up. No issues. जब आप इसको वापस बंद करेंगे, you can just close it इस तरह से और इस तरह से. So we're gonna allow this to cook for about a minute or so, and then let's see how the outcome is. I hope that this comes out to be a good recipe for all of you. Again, let's go through the ingredients. We had Amul butter, which we brushed on the tortillas. We had bell peppers, and we had paneer. We had mozzarella cheese, we had herbs, chili flakes, we had onion. Black pepper I did not use because I don't like it too spicy. You can just improvise upon whatever you like. Salt and of course pizza sauce. And so our recipe is just about to be over because हमारे tortillas already cooked है. We don't have to cook it much. Just थोड़ा सा उसको हमें सौते करना है, like just उसको थोड़ा सा crispy और flaky बनाना है. So let's just have a look how it looks. Wow, amazing. You see the cheese melting. Maybe just give it a few more seconds. So thank you whoever's joined again. Yeah.
One question is like if they don't have grill, then
Yeah, if you don't have grill, come on, I'll show you something. I am using a non-stick tawa here. अभी जब लाइट चली गई थी तो I had made this arrangement कि अगर टोस्टर नहीं है तो मैं यहाँ पे जो दोनों रैप्स हैं उनको रैप करके यहाँ पे रखती और बटर लगा के उसको सेकती और फिर इस तरह के ढक्कन से उसको ढक देती. अगर ऐसा ढक्कन नहीं है आपके पास तो आप एक नॉर्मल जो स्टील का बोल आता है ना उसको भी ढक सकते हैं. दिस विल जस्ट टेक 2 to 3 minutes. एक बार उसको पलट दीजिएगा. Okay, so our wraps are ready. Look, how do they look, guys? कैसे लग रहे हैं wraps? बताइए मुझे. One is whole wheat and the other is our beetroot and whole wheat tortilla wrap, instant pizza wraps. अब इसको हम थोड़ा सा ठंडा होने देंगे और फिर इसकी कटिंग करेंगे एंड देन एंड में इसकी प्लेटिंग करेंगे. टेल मी गाइस, हाउ इज इट लुकिंग? इट्स नाइस एंड गिव मी अ थम्स अप. ओके, सो लेट्स मूव टू द अदर रेसिपी. तब तक ये ठंडा हो जाएगा एंड बाद में हम इसकी प्लेटिंग करेंगे. ओके, सो कमिंग ऑन टू आवर सेकंड रेसिपी व्हिच इज आइसक्रीम बेस्ड पुडिंग गाइस. Let me just get out the ice cream because it's very hot. We kept it in the fridge till the last moment. So guys, here is the delicious Amul ice cream. हम सब बचपन से खाते आए हैं and my favorite flavor is vanilla. No complications. So I'm just gonna open this in front of you guys. थोड़ा सा स्टिफ है, रुक जाते हैं 2 मिनट के लिए, तब तक मैं आपको इंग्रेडिएंट्स एक बार बता देती हूँ. So I have a coffee concoction here. ठीक है, कॉफ़ी लाइक अगर हाफ टी स्पून कॉफ़ी है तो 1 कप ऑफ आप वाटर में इसको गर्म कर लीजिए. बॉयल नहीं करना है, सिर्फ गर्म करना है. दैट वे यू कैन क्रिएट अ कॉफ़ी concoction. I have some digestive biscuits here which are oats based. आपको ginger biscuits मिलते हैं तो all the more better. I could not go out so I did not get them. But yeah, ginger biscuits भी बहुत अच्छे लगते हैं इसमें. Secondly, I have these cake pieces. I got a packet of Tutti Frutti cake और उसके pieces है. आप कोई भी केक का फ्लेवर, आपके घर में लेफ्ट ओवर केक है आप उसको भी यूज़ कर सकते हो एंड बाहर से भी आप ला सकते हो. स्पॉन्ज केक का कोई भी फॉर्म आप यूज़ कर सकते हो. ओके, देन आई हैव सम melted chocolate, Amul chocolate here. So the Amul chocolate is right here in front of you that I'm using. This is a very good flavor guys. Tanzania chocolate Noir. It's not completely dark, 55% dark chocolate है लेकिन बहुत अच्छा है, बहुत delicious है. Okay, so coming back to the recipe, that is what I melted. I mixed a little bit of milk chocolate because मुझे बहुत उसको dark flavor नहीं दे रहा था. And then I have these chocolate shavings here. I have these chocolate shavings here that I'm going to use for garnish. I have a little bit of jam spread here because I could not find the syrup. So I just made like मैंने सिर्फ थोड़ा सा जैम लेके उसको वाटर में मिक्स कर दिया. एंड आई हैव सम स्प्रिंकल्स, सम फ्रेश फ्रूट्स लाइक कीवी, मैंगो इज इन सीजन. आई हैड सम फ्रोजन cherries and strawberries. Then I'm going to use these sticks for decoration and for adding to my recipe. So I'm just going to open this first. Okay, so now it's easy. तो कभी आइसक्रीम को जल्दी मत करिए खोलने की, बाहर निकाल के 2 मिनट बाद ही इसको निकालेंगे.
So instead of jam, what they can use?
Okay, so instead of jam, what you can do is you can make homemade caramel या आप जैसे मैंने चॉकलेट drizzle तो बनाया है वो आप यूज़ कर सकते हैं. आप रूह अफ़ज़ा भी यूज़ कर सकते हैं in case if you want to give a rose and a that kind of a flavor. Or you can use strawberry crush, raspberry crush. इतने सारे crush मिलते हैं, आप वो यूज़ कर सकते हो. Okay, so come back here. So I'm gonna get 2 mugs for making this, 2 glasses for making this basically. So come on here Sachin, let's make a choice of the crockery today. So for making such kind of desserts, I would suggest something which is clear, almost clear. See, these are glasses that I like too, but I think I want to show the layers of my pudding. So maybe I'm going to use something like this today and make our pudding in this. So okay, because I don't want it to be too heavy, too large also. So here we go. Okay, तो ये हमारे 2 कप्स रेडी है जिसमें हम इस रेसिपी को बनाएंगे. सबसे पहले हमें चाहिए इसमें डाइजेस्टिव बिस्किट्स. ठीक है, इसको आपको क्या करना है, सिंपली डिप करिए. लेट मी टेक इट क्लोजर. और यहाँ पे डाल दीजिए बेस में. कोई भी आइसक्रीम पुडिंग का बेस अगर बिस्किट हो ना तो इट्स ईजी टू कट, इट्स ईजी टू डाइव इन. अगर आपके गेस्ट आ रहे हैं बहुत ज़्यादा हैं तो इस तरह के शॉर्ट ग्लासेस यूज़ करने की ज़रूरत नहीं है, बिकॉज इट विल बी टू डिफ़िकल्ट टू मैनेज इट इन द फ्रिज एंड टू मेक सो मैनी ऑफ देम. ओके, आई लेट इट गो. सो दिस इज़ आवर फर्स्ट. तो आप बड़े ट्रे में बना सकते हो, बड़े कांच के ट्रे में, और उसको ऊपर से क्लिंग फॉइल लगाकर फ्रिज में रख दीजिए, फ्रीज़र पार्ट में. और जब आपको सर्व करना है उसके कुछ देर पहले आप इसको रेफ्रिजरेटर में निकाल के रख दीजिए.
बिस्किट काय में डिप किया है.
दिस इज़ अ कॉफ़ी कॉन्कॉक्शन. आधा चम्मच कॉफ़ी है, 1 कप ऑफ वाटर है, इसको मैंने गर्म कर लिया है, दैट्स इट. और अभी ये रूम टेम्परेचर पे है.
And if they don't have kiwi or cherries,
Okay, it's perfectly fine. You can just go crazy with everything. जो भी आपके पास अवेलेबल फ्रूट है आप वो लगा दीजिए.
apple or watermelon.
Yes, apple, watermelon, anything that you have. I would not suggest too many fruits that are together water based. एक आध water based आप ले लीजिए फ्रूट, वरना बहुत ज़्यादा gooey हो जाएगा. Okay, so this is my second layer of ice cream. I'm just gonna use my hands for this because this is what we're gonna have in some time now, and we just can't wait to have this delicacy. Okay, this is a little too much. थोड़ा सा मैं इसमें कम कर दूंगी, हमें layers बनानी है. So थोड़ा सा properly इसको फैला दीजिए so that बाद में layers दिखे. Okay, so this is the first layer. Second layer के लिए मैं यूज़ करूँगी ये टूटी फ्रूटी केक जो मैंने लाया है. आप अपने घर में जो भी केक बनाया है आपने और वो बच गया है, या आप स्पेशली भी इस डिश के लिए बना सकते हैं, या कोई भी स्पॉन्ज केक मार्केट से लाके इसमें डाल सकते हैं. इट्स अ वेरी इजी बट अ वेरी डिलिशियस डेजर्ट जो आप अपने फैमिली और फ्रेंड्स के लिए बना सकते हो. So hi everyone who is joined in right now. We are doing ice cream pudding today.
Which ice cream flavor?
I am using vanilla ice cream because I think vanilla blends in each and every flavor that we have. और हमें कुछ बहुत उसमें मेहनत नहीं करनी पड़ती है. आप चाहें तो मैंगो ले सकते हैं, केसर पिस्ता ले सकते हैं, चॉकलेट ले सकते हैं, whatever you like. Okay, so ये हमारी थर्ड लेयर थी. फर्स्ट was digestive biscuit with coffee concoction. Second was ice cream. Third layer was the cake.
Can they use chocolate cake?
Yes, of course you can use chocolate cake, but don't use cakes that are already garnished with a lot of cream or fondant. वो बहुत ज़्यादा मीठा कर देंगे and वो इतना अच्छा भी नहीं लगेगा टेस्ट में. So go for basic sponge cakes. This looks super yummy. I'm sure you guys are gonna try this very soon. For your friends and family. फ्रेंड्स को ज़्यादा अभी तो घर पे नहीं बुलाना चाहिए, वैसे कुछ टाइम रुक जाइए. फ्रेंड्स है और फ्रेंड्स अगर हैं तो वो वहीं रहेंगे. अभी फैमिली के साथ एंजॉय करिए थोड़ा ज़्यादा. ओके, सो लिटिल बिट ऑफ मोर आइस क्रीम. यू कैन नेवर गो रॉन्ग with more ice cream. एंड स्पेशली वनीला फ्लेवर्ड। मैं थोड़ा सा इसको प्रेस करूँगी सो दैट ये प्रॉपर लेयर बन जाए। आई एम नॉट गोना यूज़ लाइक राउंड स्कूप्स बिकॉज हम पुडिंग बना रहे हैं, यहाँ पे सिर्फ आइसक्रीम नहीं सर्व कर रहे हैं। ओके, सो यस, दिस वाज द आइसक्रीम पार्ट। अब मैं इसको थोड़ा सा गार्निश करूँगी। सो व्हाट आई एम गोना यूज़ फॉर गार्निश, आई एम गोना थिंक ऑफ इट नाउ। सबसे पहले शुरू करते हैं चॉकलेट से। ये मेल्टेड चॉकलेट है। कैसा लग रहा है गाइज? टेल मी, हाउ डू यू फाइंड इट? आई एम एक्चुअली फीलिंग वेरी हंग्री ऑल्दो आई हैव हैड माई डिनर, बट ये सब रेसिपीज़ आज आपके साथ शेयर करके मुझे लग रहा है, आई थॉट आई कीप वन ऑफ इट इन द फ्रिज एंड शेयर इट विद माई डॉटर टुमारो, बट आई थिंक आई हैव टू मेक अ न्यू बैच फॉर हर टुमारो. So this is the first garnish that I've put. You can go crazy with whatever garnishes you have. You can add chia seeds, you can add flax seeds, जो भी आपको अच्छा लगता है. थोड़ा सा मैं कीवी ऐड करूँगी. I don't like too much of kiwi, but yeah, थोड़ा सा I'm gonna add here, just very little. Okay, here one piece here and maybe थोड़ा सा और. Okay. And then I'm gonna add mango. Mango is in season. आप कोई भी type of mango use कर सकते हैं.
Can they use Hershey chocolate syrup?
You can use any chocolate syrup that you have. I like basically Amul chocolate syrup. But today what I did was I thought of melting up chocolate. I thought that was a better option. So ये हमने लगा दिया है. मैं थोड़ा सा I think I'm gonna add a little bit of cherry here. Okay, just put it anywhere. Cherry doesn't need to be on the top always. Okay, and then I'm gonna add these chocolate shavings here. बहुत ही केयरफुली बनाने पड़ते हैं ये चॉकलेट शेविंग्स, और इनको हमेशा फ्रिज में रख दीजिए. बहुत सिंपल टिप है. चॉकलेट थोड़ी सी रूम टेम्परेचर पे आ जाए तो जो आपका पीलर होता है ना, जिससे आप आलू छीलते हो, लौकी छीलते हो, उससे आप छील लीजिए. ओके, थोड़े से मैं ओके, बिकॉज वी मेड दिस एंड आई वांट अ लिटिल रेड कलर हियर. मैं थोड़ी सी ये जेली यहाँ पे डाल दूँगी. I think we may face another power outage. It's very windy and gusty here in Indore right now. We are facing some rain as well. So I'll quickly wrap this up. थोड़ा सा मैं यहाँ पे sprinkles डालूँगी to make it a little fancy. And I'm gonna use our energy bar. It's in the name of ये ghee bar. Okay, so मैं थोड़ा सा यहाँ पे to make it much more healthier, I'm gonna just sprinkle little bit of it here. Okay, like this. थोड़ा सा क्रंच इससे आ जाएगा. Okay, and the last thing that I need to put here are these wafer sticks. These become very handy in milkshakes or ice creams or puddings or whatever you're making. So this is ready. So I'm gonna just go and keep this while you can focus on the tortillas again. Okay, so ये ठंडा हो गया होगा. Yes, and I'm gonna cut this now.
लास्ट में क्या ऐड किया उसमें?
लास्ट में I have added sprinkles जो आपको मार्केट में मिल जाएंगे. I had in store पहले से. And we have also added here our energy bars. It's in the name of Gigi Bar. You can find it online also. So this is the wrap. I'm gonna get a plate and I'm gonna put it on the plate for you. Okay, so I'm gonna place it one by one. You can see, guys, just focus here. There are the veggies and, you know, the onion, the herbs and the cheese. Looks pretty delicious to me. Okay, I think I should have not cut this, but it's okay. ठीक है, ये हमारे बन गए हैं रैप्स. अब मैं थोड़ा सा इसको प्लेटिंग करूँगी विथ these bell peppers. This is optional, guys, but I really like to do something special for each of my recipe, hence I'm doing this. So let's go over there. So here is the entire setup for today, which means that family is a blessing, home is a blessing, staying home is not a punishment. I hope you guys like my creations today and you're gonna try it. Just have a look at this beauty. How does it look? How does it look, guys? Give me a thumbs up if you like this ice cream pudding. And here, these are beautiful and delicious and very healthy instant pizza wraps. Do make it with your kids. You're gonna really enjoy this. And yeah, we had actually decided to do candles and everything, but it's I think it will get too late. So I just want to show you once. You can tilt your phone. Okay, maybe it doesn't allow. So this is the kind of setup that I've done for my family tonight. And yeah, guys, make it special for everyone that's around you. Thank you so much again, and it was a great honor to have you guys. I'm sorry, really sorry for the power outage, but couldn't have helped it. So I'll be posting these recipes on my Instagram handle maybe tomorrow. You can follow me on Ovens Up by Madhu on Instagram and Facebook as well. And do let me know when you create this at home and how did you make it and what all did you add and improvise upon. Thank you so much, guys. Thank you very much for visiting here and staying through the recipe. So thank you, guys. See you and stay safe.